Hey everybody, it's Erin Reed, and take a look at my fun new unboxing. Well, I kind of already unboxed it for you guys, and I started playing. Some of this is things I got in the mail from Xyron and Derwent. One of these is an item I got while I was at Creativation at an event, and the other one I bought for myself because I really wanted it. All right, so let me take you through one at a time. Let's start with this fun one I just got. All right, now I want to tell you the difference between these two items. I still use them both and I still love them. These are both sticker makers. This is the Create a Sticker Mini, and this is the one that's got a refillable cartridge to it. And this is a 3-inch sticker maker that when you're done, you throw it away and you recycle to pieces. They both do the same thing, but a little bit differently. And let me show you the difference between them. They both will turn a die cut piece, these are some little faces that I cut out from a previous project, into a sticker where you pop the item in. So you just pop the item into the back side, you tear, you rub, and you pull it off and it becomes a sticker. And this one you pull off and it's got this plastic covering on the top that you have to remove. And this is now a sticker. Now this is a 3-inch version, but there is also a 1.5-inch version. This is the 1.5-inch, and this has got a refillable section as well. It also has the plastic piece that you have to pull off when you're done. The Create a Sticker Mini is similar, but different. So here you can load it into the front. So once your little item is in there, you roll the dial, and here you can see it coming out the back side, right? And when you're done, it's got a perforation to tear. But here's the best part. If you notice on this, there's no plastic. It is already a sticker. It is already ready to go. It has all the adhesive right there. You don't have to pull off the top plasticky piece. So it saves an element in your production. And again, it's still got the same backing, still great adhesive. And this pops out and you just replace this piece right here. So you just get a new version of this, and you just pop this in. Now, this is the mini, which means that you're gonna get a sticker that's not quite 3 inches. It's closer probably to like a 2.5-inch in terms of it. It's wider. So let me just pull out a little section of this. This is the 1.5. So it's wider than 1.5, but not as wide as 3. So it's kind of right in the middle in terms of that. And this is the mini. There is a bigger version of this that's wider that does the exact same thing. It just has a wider footprint for how to make a sticker. So I love using my die cuts and using my Xyron. And so having this little guy here where I can quickly throw in little die cut pieces and turn them into stickers to layer on my projects is so easy. And I don't have to worry about having that top piece. It speeds up the whole process. I can throw it in and I have a lot less waste now. So it's awesome. So love my little thing. Also got from Xyron my refills for my tape runners. I have my mega runner, which is my big guy, so I got a refill for that. And I got a whole bunch of little permanent adhesive for my little bitty guy. So for this little guy right here, I now have refills, which basically you just pop this out, put the new one in, pop this in, and it's so easy when doing my card making to use these little guys. So now I've got some refills for those. One of the events I went to at Creativation was put on by Angie Holden and Carolina Moore, and they did this. It was like, you know, all influencers and bloggers, and Xyron / Derwent, which here we go, let's turn it this way, was the sponsor, and they were doing all these really fun things with the laminator and stuff like that. So they had a drawing, and I won this, which I think is so cool. So I'm going to pull this out and show you. It is super heavy, which I'm going to get rid of the little pieces now because I don't need them anymore. I'm saving the packaging to show you guys. So this bottom piece right here, this is heavy. This is actually like a paperweight. It's so cool. It's awesome. And then inside of it, I've got 6 beautiful metallic pencils. So these are the Derwent metallic pencils, professional quality. They're regular pencils, which means you can sharpen them. And then I also, so I got that at the Creativation show at that event that night. And then when I got my little package from Xyron, they sent me this one. This is charcoal gray, which I love the color. And this is their Derwent Inktense. So let's play with these. Let me show you how they look. All right, so I just had some plain old copy paper that was sitting on my desk. So the Inktense, look how nice that is. It glides beautifully. It's beautiful. I mean, it's awesome. And then we have our metallics. So here is, it's like a purpley. And let me just do a little bit more. And as you color in a bit more, it does have this beautiful metallic-y look to it. Let me zoom in so you guys can see a little better. So I think I did those 2 already. I forget which ones, but let me do, oh, look how pretty. This is like a rose gold. Yeah, it says pink gold. What was the other one I did? I did silver rose. This one right here is rose gold. There are some differences between them. Here we've got, ooh, this is kind of a greeny one. Silver mint, that's pretty. And then they're also gorgeous. Ice blue. And then lastly, we have turquoise. So I wouldn't even call these your standard metallic colors because they're all like a color. There's no gold in here. There's not just like silver. It's all like these metallic-y colors, which I think are even prettier. And then this is the ink tints. This is just the charcoal gray, which is just a very, I mean, it's almost like a black, but look how pretty that is. It goes on so nicely. And they all color so smoothly. So if you're interested in getting a good set of markers, so this is kind of a fun, like little gifty thing, which I got, which was kind of cool. So they do have lots of beautiful ones from Derwent. And so links will be down below for all the supplies I've showed you so far. And lastly, we teamed up with Die Cuts with a View, and so I got this beautiful paper pad. I love using their products. You guys have seen me on a ton of videos using their paper packs to make my cards as background papers, which I love because look, you get two. Let me show this way. I'm gonna go this way with it. You get 2 sheets of paper. So here you can see this. This one actually has a little even design on it, and so if you're not too thrilled with the front, or if you want to do coordinating papers like with cards, if I'm matting cards, I've got 2 papers that are right here, and because it's 12 by 12, it's huge. Great for scrapbooking. Look how cute this one is right here. And then the back side, it all is this. And then look at this one. This one's awesome. Look at these flowers. And this one's got this little bit of a detail. It's got some like shiny, like a little bit of glitteriness to it. It's really pretty. And the back side is this beautiful floral. So these are what I would call pattern papers, definitely, but they're kind of like a neutral pattern paper, whereas this is very bold because the print is so much bigger. So I can get away with using this as like a matte background in a card, and this would almost have to be like a focal point. But look how pretty. Like this is what I would call almost like a neutral color. It's just that little bit of a wave on there. And look at the cutie little goats. Adorable. So you get a couple of sheets of each. Love this one too. Look how pretty that is. And these 2 together, so awesome. And then you got this, all these leaves. Look at this pretty one right here. So it's gorgeous, gorgeous papers. Look how fun these are. These ones are some faces on the back. Some more little goats, more faces. And then it's just kind of this cool background print. I'm in love with the colors here, and we've got lots. We've got pinks, we've got greens, we've got golds, we've got some blacks. We've got lots of beautiful colors. Here's another one where it's all this shimmery. You can really see this is all like got glitter all over it. Big bold print on the back, of which you could fussy cut these out if you wanted to, or if you've got like a brother scan and cut, you could easily cut them out and have like really cute, sweet cards. Look at this. I love these butterflies. It's all very garden and floral. Awesome background paper right here. Watering can, super cute to fussy cut out too. Another very beautiful neutral background. This is a big bold pattern print. This is something that either you could cut this section out, do scrapbooking with, lots of fun stuff. But if that's not your speed, guess what? On the back side, it's a beautiful script that you could use for something else. You got a couple pages of that, some little houses. Again, another neutral color. I love how there's lots of neutral colors in this paper pack. Some more, this one again has a little bit of that glitteriness to it. I don't know if you guys can catch that on screen, but it's there. Some more faces, this time on more of a pink color. Another big bold floral. There's so many pages in here. Love this kind of green grass. Little birds, adorable. And then a nice pink. So look at all the colors that are in this. We've got oranges, we got greens, we got pinks, we got yellows. Lots of different colors, you know, all beautiful. And then this is what I call like the project life sheets. These are great for easy card making because you can cut them up and put them on, and they've got some easy ones. Let me flip this around so we can see this again. We've got good vibes, growing up, love, it's all good, best friend, hello, beauty and everything, start today, thank you, standing tall, you are great, best day ever. These are also really good for scrapbook pages. And on the back side, it has this really beautiful neutral yellow color that's kind of a grungy yellow. So you get 2 versions of those, and then that's it. So here you can see that they've done obviously scrapbook pages. This is what I was talking about, the fussy cutting of all those flowers in there, and then cutting out some of these fun elements. All these pieces came from the card, I think is awesome. And on the back side, you can really see all the fun layers that are in here. So this stack is called watering can, which is fitting because it sounds very, very much like you're in the garden. So, oh my goodness, all these fun, amazing things I either bought myself, got from the Creativation show, or got sent to me because I work with Xyron. And you'll be seeing all of these coming up very, very soon. So don't forget, if you would like to purchase any of these items, links are down below for you guys to check out. Therefore, you can actually see and get them for yourself and use them yourself. And there'll be tons of inspiration coming up using these products very soon. Thanks so much. Please subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye, everybody.